Dear students, let us start with the second module of the Big Data Analytics. Here, in the second module, you have to study the four chapters. That is, first chapter is Essential Hadoop Tools. Second chapter, Hadoop Yarn Applications. Third chapter is Managing Hadoop with Apache Ambari. And fourth chapter, which is Basic Hadoop Administration Procedures. So let us start with the first chapter, that is Essential Hadoop Tools. The Hadoop ecosystem offers many tools to help with data input, high-level processing, workflow management, and creation of huge database. This Hadoop has provided so many tools which help uh, the programmer for the data input and high-level processing of the data, workflow management, and creation of a huge database. Each tool is managed as a separate Apache Software Foundation project. So the different tools which are like a Pig, Scoop, and others are there. So all these, every tools will be handled by a separate Apache Software Foundation project. Using Apache Pig, let us study about the first Hadoop tool, that is the Pig. So Pig is a high-level scripting language that is used with Apache Hadoop. So it is actually scripting language, interactive language, interpreted language in Hadoop. So Pig enables data workers to write complex data transformations without knowing Java. So without knowing Java also, you can write complex data transformations in using the Pig tools. Pig's simple SQL like scripting language is called Pig Latin. So Pig also supports SQL kind of scripting language that is called Pig Latin. Pig is complete, so all required data manipulations can be done in Apache Hadoop with Pig. So it is a complete software. So all kind of data manipulation can be done in Apache Hadoop with Pig. Through the user-defined functions facility in Pig, Pig can invoke code in many languages like JRuby, JPython, and Java. So it also provides a user-defined functions facility in Pig, which invoke code from many languages like JRuby, JPython, and Java. Apache Pig execution modes. So what are the different modes of execution of the Pig? Apache Pig runs in two modes, namely local mode and HDFS mode. Local mode. In this mode, all the files are installed and run from your local host and local file system. There is no need of Hadoop or HDFS. This mode is generally used for testing purpose. So it all the files are installed and run from the local host and local files. So all the files and everything software apps should be installed in the local computer system or in local file system. There is no need of Hadoop or HDFS. This mode is generally used for testing purpose. MapReduce mode. MapReduce mode is where we load or process the data that exists in the Hadoop file system using Apache Pig. MapReduce mode is where we the load or process the data that exists in Hadoop file system. So in this case, MapReduce mode, all the data will be existing or it will be stored in the HDFS. using the Apache Pig. In this mode, whenever we execute the pig Latin statement, that SQL kind of encrypting language, pig Latin statements to process the data, a MapReduce job is invoked in the backend to perform a particular operation on the data that exists in the HDFS. So here what happens is, whenever we execute a pig Latin statement to process the data, a MapReduce job is invoked in the backend. A MapReduce job gets started in the backend to perform a particular operation on the data that exists in the HDFS. Apache Pig execution mechanism. Apache Pig scripts can be executed in three ways, namely interactive mode, batch mode, and embedded mode. So here it's how the Apache Pig executes. So it executes in three mode. First mode is called interactive mode, second mode is called batch mode, and third mode is called embedded mode. So in interactive mode, Apache Pig can run in interactive mode using the grunt shell. In this shell, the pig Latin statements can be entered and get the output. As like we have a Unix shell programming language. Over there, bash shell is the is used. So in that so here we use the grunt shell. So in as in Unix, we used to enter the command and we used to get the corresponding output. So here we have a grunt shell. So in this shell, we can enter the pig Latin statement and we can get the output. Batch mode. Apache Pig can also run in batch mode by writing the pig Latin script in a single file with .pig extension. So we can write a set of code and we can save that file using the .pig extension and we can make it as a batch. And instead of running one by one command, we can run as a batch mode. Embedded mode. Apache Pig provides the provision of defining our own functions, that is called user defined function, in programming language such as Java, and using them in the script. So Apache Pig also provides us to define our own functions in the programming language such as Java, and using this we can execute the pig tools. So in this video we should stop till the pig execution mechanism. Again we will continue with the next tool, that is called Hive. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.